In this video, I'm going to tell you the best winning product that you can sell right now. Currently, I'm doing a 30-day challenge in which I'm going to tell you at least one best winning product every single day. And the reason behind this challenge is obviously because most of our viewers love to watch videos that bring the best winning products. So here I am to give you what you want. Yes, of course, I'll post videos about other topics on dropshipping as well, but after this challenge. All of the selected products would be proven winners that me and my team will select after doing a lot of research. You will find links to all the products in the description down below. And yes, make sure you watch this video till the end because there is something really special at the end of the video that no other dropshipping channel has ever done. If you are new to my channel, let me tell you one thing. I never try to sell any courses, so you don't have to worry about that on my channel.
My garage just bought this new Lamborghini.
So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button because your response is really great as an audience, but you are a little stingy when it comes to hitting those buttons. So open your hearts and turn them blue and gray. The winning product information will be divided into 4 important parts. In the first part, we will go through the general introduction of the product, which covers the name of the product and some general description like what the product actually does. In the second part, we will go through the analytics of the product like the reactions and comments on Facebook ads and the competition level. In third part, we will discuss the Facebook ad specifications, which will cover the interest that you should target for the product, the audience size, your estimated reach, country, and a lot more. And in the fourth and the most important part, we will discuss the estimated profit margin that you can earn on this product. Now let's get straight into our today's special product, which is this portable blender. Now, as it is clear from its name, it is used to blend smoothies, shakes, margaritas, and baby food as well. Now let's run the winning product test on it. That means if it has 2 qualities. First one, if it has the wow factor, and second one, if it provides value. So normally at homes, we all have the blenders that are connected to a wire and a bit heavy. So we are limited to the place where the blender is situated to blend anything. But this blender has a charging slot in it. So once you have charged it, you can just take it anywhere you want. And it also seems cool. So we can give a yellow tick for the wow factor, but for the providing value part, it will surely get a green tick as it is a clear problem solver. Some of you are asking me how I manage my YouTube channel nowadays with my dropshipping business. So the answer to this question is I have automated my dropshipping stores. Now you might be wondering what does that really mean. So there is a company called Tenokino, which is a dropshipping sourcing agent, and I have been working with them for past like 2 months. And what they do, they literally do everything for me. Like sourcing the products, fulfilling, stocking, the quality control, and finally shipping. They have a really experienced team for every part of the dropshipping process, and they even have their own warehouse, which is about 3,000 square feet, which is pretty insane. So if you want to check out their website and register for free, I'll just leave the link in the description down below. Now let's move on to part 2 of the winning product, which is the Facebook Ads Analytics. So if we see the product on Facebook, it has more than 8.5 thousand likes and reactions, which is great. And if we see the comments, it has more than 1.4 thousand comments, which is really insane because for a video with 8.5 thousand likes, these are too much. Which shows that the product has really great engagement, and it has nearly 2.3 thousand shares, which is amazing as well. And what's even better is the comment section is still alive, as we can see a lot of comments that are a week ago and some days ago. And moreover, if you see the graph of likes and shares for this product, it has been on a steady upside trend from the very beginning, and it still continues that till date. So this means the product is still selling. Before moving to part 3, I would like to tell you about the product research tool that I personally use to find these winning products, which is Dropispy. Dropispy is an amazing research tool where you can find the best winning products with just a few clicks. And the reason why I personally love Dropispy is because you can filter out the products according to your interest and niches that you want to get in. And moreover, their prices are really reasonable as compared to other competitors, which is great for you if you are just getting started with dropshipping. If you want a flat 30% discount as you are my viewer, you can just click on the link in the description down below. Or you can just use the code DD30 while you are signing up for the website. Now let's move on to part 3, which is the Facebook ad specifications. So the interests that you should target for this product are blender, portable blender, mixer, portable mixer and smoothie maker. The audience size for this product is roughly 2 million, which includes countries like the United States, United Kingdom and India. The age range for this product is 20 to 60 years, including all the genders. The perfect niche for the product would be kitchen appliances. Now let's move on to the last and the most important part, which is the profit margin. The cost of the product is $16.20 and the selling price is $61, so you can get an amazing profit margin of $44, which is a lot in dropshipping. If you are watching this video so far, that means the content was really useful for you. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Now it is time for the little inspiration story that I tell at the end of every winning product video, because we sometimes get just really demotivated in this hard journey of entrepreneurship. Two friends, Jim and Stu, had joined a big sales company together just after graduation. Both of them worked really hard. 3 years have passed and the company's director promoted one of them, Stu, become sales executive. Jim did not get any promotion and remained in the sales department. Jim decided that it is unfair, so he came to his boss and told him that he does not appreciate hard-working staff. The boss knew that Jim works hard, and in order to show the difference between him and Stu, he asked, "Go and find anyone selling watermelons in the market." When Jim returned, the boss asked how much per kg. So Jim went back to the market and then returned to say the price is $12 per kg. Then the boss asked Stu the same thing. Stu went to the market and when he returned, he said, "At the moment there is one person selling watermelons $12 per kg, $100 for 10 kg. Now he has 340 watermelons in stock. On the table there are 48 watermelons, each of them weighs about 15 kg. Watermelons were bought from the south 2 days ago. They are fresh and good quality." Jim was impressed by the differences between him and Stu. He realized that he needs to learn a lot of things from his friend. So what do we learn from this story? Successful people are more observant. They think and see several years ahead, while most people see only tomorrow. As an entrepreneur, you must always think long-term profit by considering the steps that you need to take right now in order to achieve your long-term goal. And you should always deny the short-term pleasure that sacrifices with your discipline. That's it for the video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.